Hello viewers, myself is Seni and I am here to explain you about my project, gearbox mechanism. So first of all, there are some basics of my project. What is a gearbox? So a gearbox is such kind of a mechanism that can control different speed variations and torques in different kinds of machines or motors, or as we can say an automobile engine. My project works on the basis of a compound gear train. What is a compound gear train? So compound gear train is such type of a gear train that has more than one gear mounted on a single shaft. What is a gear train? A gear train has a combination of number of gears that work together so that we can get the required or desired speed. After that, I have the working of my project. So I'll take you to the working of my project. My project has spur gears made with cardboard, and there are three shafts. The first one being the driving shaft, the second one that has the gears from neutral to 5 speed, and the third being the driven shaft. And at the driven shaft, you can see there is a tape that has been round about it. The driving shaft has been connected to a motor, and when the motor starts rotating, the driving shaft also starts rotating, and we can make different gear combinations by sliding the gear lever to the right. When the center gears meshes with the gears of the driving shaft, it also meshes with the gears of the driven shaft, and it forms like a compound gear train. And as I increase the gears, the speed of the driven shaft is increased, and as I decrease the gear, the speed of the driven shaft is decreased. So as you see here, I have installed a speed control that controls the speed of the motor. We'll give some input to the motor, and as you can see, the driving shaft starts rotating. After that, I'll engage the first gear from here. So this is the first gear, and we'll increase a little bit speed more. So as you can see, this starts rotating, and we can know what's the speed is going on. After that, increase a little bit speed more. Yeah. After that, this is the second gear, and as you can notice, the speed at the second gear. Now we'll shift it to the third gear, and as you can see, the speed increases. We shift to the fourth gear. Fourth gear has more speed, and we increase it to the fifth, and it's the highest speed. And same way, as I shift it down, the speed starts decreasing. Fourth gear, the third gear, the second gear, and the first gear, and then it's the neutral. So this was all about the practicality of my project, and now we have some important terms to discuss about. So what you saw here was a synchronized or a synchromesh gearbox. Synchronized gearboxes are the latest types of gearboxes in manual transmission gearbox. And in these gearboxes, lay shaft gears are constantly meshing with the gears of the output shaft. Secondly, we'll discuss about some of the gear terminologies. So first of all, we'll discuss about what is a module. A module is the unit of size of how big or small a gear is, and it is the ratio of reference diameter of the gear divided by the number of teeth. So the formula will be M is equals to D upon Z, which means module is equals to reference diameter upon number of teeth. And after that, we'll discuss about what is a PCD. So a PCD stands for pitch circle diameter, which means it is the diameter of pitch circle. So if you went to buy a gear, you'll have to tell the type of gear you want. For example, a spur gear or a helical gear to the shopkeeper, and after that you'll have to tell him what is the pitch circle diameter of the gear, and after that he will give you the required gear you want. And this was all about my project. Thank you for watching this video.